Hello from Sydney, Australia. Today is August 5, 2024. It's cloudy and temperatures about 15 degrees Celsius. But we are geared up to ride in this cold weather, so let's ride along the bays and beaches of Sydney. This route was curated by the Rafa Cycling Club. It's around 45 kilometers with elevation of 456 meters. Its start and end point is at the Rafa Clubhouse in Sydney.
Hindi naman masyadong delikado yung ginagawa ko. Slight. Gumo-GoPro ng palusong. Don't know where you are. You're in it.
But there's a beach. There are boats.
And my bike is so cool.
Love it.
Stiff lang siya. Kailangan maganda to pag ano lang.
I love this route. It's called Beach and Bays.
Bay and Bay.
Bay and Beach. Beach and
Hindi
Bays.
pa rin sa Melbourne.
Bay and
Mas
Beach. Mas nagaganda siya sa Melbourne.
Hindi, tignan pa natin.
Yes. But
So
for me,
far.
this is the only route I know. So, nice! Okay. That's my bike from Livelo. Thank you, Peter, for accommodating my last-minute booking. And this is my husband. His bike is from Rafa, RCC bike. RCC.
Beach Pink.
Dapat sinot mo yung RCC mo na ano. Bumili ka pa man din sa...
May sipin ng bago.
Hayop.
Biking along the bay. Ganda oh. Huwag kayo hinto ah. Babangga ako sa'yo. Huwag ka nang maingay. Sumunod ka na sa akin. Ganyan lang talaga si Garmin. We are on course. Ako magsasabi kung off course. Yeah. But so far walang nude. Walang nakahubad. Meron. Na kami sa Bondi Beach. Galing pa kami ng Melbourne. So nakarating na rin kami sa wakas after 1 week ng pagbabiyahe. Nice. Yeah. Bakit walang gold?
Siguro
Ano nakahubad?
maginaw.
Yun ang purpose ko.
Another vantage point. It's beautiful.
Kay ganda ng Australia. Kay ganda
Perfect.
Australia.
taking a break. It's 2 o'clock. Pero late na rin kami nag-start. Hindi pa kami nakakarami actually. I don't know kung ilang kilometers pa. Nakaka-10 pa lang kami or something.
20 ka.
But look at the view. Oh, we're stopping for food. Ang ganda. Hindi tayo mag-bike sa ibang bansa.
Ito hindi man intindihan ng hindi na
That's right. Although kanina dun sa city, sa Central Business District, medyo nasa-stress pa rin ako kasi maraming sasakyan yan. But when we went out of the business district, okay na siya. Kumalma na si Ateng.
Saka pag ano ko na doon sa city, makare-realize mo naman. Binibigyan kanila talaga ng ano.
Parang they will not rush you. They'll give you time to cross the road. Di ka bubusinahan. Walang mga motor na gumigit-git at nakikikain ng bike lane. Ganon ba? Yan. As the sun sets over the sparkling waters, we wrap up our biking journey along the stunning bays and beaches of Sydney. Whether you are a seasoned cyclist or just someone looking for a scenic escape, Sydney's coastal routes offer an experience that is both invigorating and breathtaking. Thanks for joining us in this adventure. Until next time, remember, the best way to see a place is on two wheels.